Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at this piece of luggage from a company called Level8. And I do have to thank Level8 for sending this over to the channel for an honest unboxing, initial first look, and review. I do appreciate that. Now, it's been a little while since I posted anything on YouTube. Took off a little bit of January from posting videos, just do a little bit of remodeling in my studio and catching up with some other work and things like that. And it's already halfway through February, so I wanted to start this year out with taking a look at this. Like I said, thanks to Level8 for sending this over. I do have to apologize that I can't raise the camera up high enough to get this all in frame, because this is a big item. I usually don't have such big things to review. But anyways, so we'll just take a quick look here. Like I said, this is a Level8 carry-on luggage piece. You can go to their website at level8cases.com if you're interested to find out more. This is their 20-inch Elegance luggage in a matte black. So matte black material, polycarbonate, has an aluminum trolley handle, low noise wheels, 360-degree spin, and comes with, obviously pretty large capacity with some interior mesh pockets, and I believe some packing cubes as well. Now, what's kind of cool about this one, and I've had lots of luggage in the past that I've used, prior when I was traveling, but what's kind of cool about this one is it does have a built-in TSA lock right here on the top. So you can easily secure the luggage. As you can see, the zipper ends kind of just pop into the luggage and then you can lock it. It does have the TSA compliant lock there. So that's kind of nice. One of the things, I've never had a piece of luggage that had a built-in lock. I've always had to lock the zippers together, so I think that's pretty nice. So I don't know if these are branded zippers or not. It doesn't look like they're YKK or anything like that. But you do have like a rubbery handle on top, so if you want to grab it here, like I said, you also have the extendable aluminum handle, as we'll see in a second. If you flip it over on its side, you'll see there's some rests or feet, I guess, but they're made out of that same polycarbonate material, so you can set it down on the side and it won't tip or anything like that because it does have those. If you look at the bottom, you can see the wheels, and they're kind of double wheels, each side spins separately. Fairly high quality, I think. At least the wheels feel high quality. They can 360-degree swivel here, as you can see, reinforced corners, etc. So you have both of those. On the other side, you do have another handle. So if you wanted to pick it up by the side, and it's pretty close to the center line. So it is pretty close to the center line. So when you pick it up, it shouldn't tilt either way. Sometimes I've seen other handles where they're closer to the edge and then it kind of hangs sideways or whatever when you're carrying it. Then on the back, it's a little dusty, but that's basically it. And as you can see, you can kind of spin it around. And if we kind of tilt it here, you can see pretty long extension handle. And looks like multiple stops, so you can make the handle longer and shorter if you'd like. So that's that. And then we'll kind of just unzip it. So here I can unzip it. And like I said, we'll have to do like a side-by-side This is a little bit better of a camera view here. You can see a little bit better of the overall area. So as you can see, each side has a zipper compartment. So on this side, you can zip it here. Quite a bit of space, and there's no bars or anything else like that else in there. The only incursion into the air, the space, is just this area at the bottom where it's reinforced for the wheels. But other than that, nice gray material. You got a couple mesh pockets here as you can put things in. Got this little reinforced piece that goes over the center area there. The other side, same thing. A little bit of a bigger zippered pocket. Does not have multiple mesh pockets on top, but it has this one big piece. And then you have your larger compartment on this side. And now you will have a little bit of space taken up by the bars for the handle, the extended handle. You will have a little bit of space there taken up, but in all the cases I've seen like this, inevitably you do have a little bit of space taken up. Typically what I'll do on this side is if I have shoes or other things like that, I'll put the shoes kind of on the sides and then, you know, other things in the center. That always works well for me. Now you also have a 4-piece packing cube set. So this is a 4-piece organization set. So high quality anti-mildew and water repellent fabric. So you'll get a big one. And then you'll have smaller ones on the inside. And there's these little, it's just kind of cool actually, these little Velcro tags, or little Velcro sticky tag things. And basically you can see like this could be like electronics or something. You can put some electronics or something like that in there. And then you have a couple other ones like shoes. Like toiletries, clothes, shoes. So if you wanted to kind of put those on there so you were quickly reminded of what's in it, you can do that. This looks like, you know, toiletries or makeup or things like that. And what's nice is they give you a bunch of these dividers as well for the inside here of this one. So you can, you know, make little compartments with the Velcro. So that's kind of nice. You can see there's another zipper there. So plenty of zippers, plenty of space to store things. This has a handle built in too. And then another a little bit bigger one that you can use to store, you know, other sorts of things. So what I like about these, you know, typically you have to buy packing cubes separately. You know, a lot of times I've seen other suitcases and things like that where you'd have to buy this all separate. It's not the case here. So what you can do is like nicely pack your clothes, pants, shirts, and whatnot. Maybe kind of, you know, slip it on this side. And then you could pack the other ones up, you know, put them on that side or vice versa, etc. So really a lot of different pockets and places to put stuff. Oh yeah, and the outside zipper is a YKK zipper. I didn't see that, but I can see on the inside. So it's a YKK zipper. I don't know about these. These aren't. Yeah. It looks like all the zippers are YKK zippers, so that's nice. High quality zippers. They feel, you know, pretty high quality. So they all have the Level 8 case branding on there, but even on this, yeah, even on this is YKK. Like I said, I mean, all of this stuff is very high quality feeling, seems well made. I like the fact that you get the four-piece packing cube organizer as well. And I mean, the overall package or the overall case itself seems fairly sturdy. I mean, pretty common, I think. There's no way to expand it, so that's one thing. Some of these types of carry-ons in the past I've seen will have like a double zipper where you can kind of expand out the center a little bit. So sometimes, like maybe when you're in a situation where you don't want to carry it on or you want to pack some extra stuff in there and check it. Sometimes other brands have like a way to expand the center. This one does not. But again, I mean, the primary use case for this, for me, would be a carry-on. And you got to be careful because you never know when you get on the plane if there's going to be space above and all things like that. So, yeah. So really, the wheels work pretty nice. Very smooth feeling. When you move it around, there's no like catching or anything like that. It's fairly easy to kind of move around. I mean, the only thing is, obviously, I have not, used this in a trip or anything. You know, we're still in the middle of this pandemic, a whole year in, but at some point I'll be planning on business trips and things like that. So when that happens, I can definitely, use this on a trip, take it with, and then provide maybe some input or some update on the review. If not another video about this, at least I'll update the description and I kind of provide my feedback. Do check out Level 8. Like I said, they have a ton of different types of cases, travel accessories, things like that. They did have a very cool aluminum looking one that I was interested in, but this is the one that they sent. And again, I like the matte black. Seems like it would be pretty resistant to damage, although I did see on one of the corners, it did get a little bit nicked just in the shipping. I don't know if you can see that little marred corner got scuffed a little bit. So hopefully that doesn't happen all the time and all over this. But again, I mean, luggage is generally more functional than a fashion statement for me. So I'm not really too worried about if things get worn. But yeah. Yeah, overall, very nice piece of luggage. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll link to the Level 8 Cases website in the description, so if you want to check that out, you can. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.